Welcome back to the channel, and tonight we're going to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Element Enduro COMP FOX. My buddy Eric, this is another project for him. He went down to Anderson RC tonight and picked up the brand new kit off the truck. And he's going to be collecting parts, and this will be a future build. But tonight we're just going to do a quick unboxing and see what all we got here. And yeah, let's dig in. All right, I just seen this truck on Scale News update the other night. I guess it was just released. All right, first impressions, we got a barn. That's pretty cool. We got a Scale Garage, Associated, and Element being all in the same thing. They've been doing some pretty cool box art, and looks like we got a little shed in our box that we can turn inside out. But not much to see here. Bag of parts. Here's all your linkages and rod ends and or miscellaneous. There's a center skid plate. There is one of your axle housings. Not sure if that's front or rear. And bag 5. Another axle housing. They are portals, and this appears to be the front because I see a steering knuckle. Yep, bag 4, front end. Here's our transmission, full bearings. We got some metal gears here, some plastic gears. I've never had an issue with stripping any gears in crawler transmissions. So I don't think it's 100% necessary to be all metal. We got a metal top shaft and metal idler gears and a really cool bronze anodized motor mount. I like that. That's pretty cool. And we got a pinion gear. So there's our transmission. Shock bag. I do like that. It's not gray and it's not gold. It's kind of in between. It's like a bronze, kind of almost like a, I don't know, like a nickel plating, but it's on the gold side. That's pretty cool. And Associated always has silky smooth shocks, so I'm sure these won't be any different. We got a cross brace in here that's anodized the same color. So yeah, all 4 shocks are in the bag. And drive cups. I feel some heavy steel parts in there. And there's the drive shafts. They are aluminum. The slider shafts, they go, but it does have the plastic ends. So that's pretty cool. Shock oil, some black grease. Some more of that bronzy gold brown anodized. Looks like bumper mounts and chassis cross braces of sorts. Body post, we got a tall one for a SUV style body. Not sure what body we're going to put on this yet. That will be to be determined. Carbon fiber chassis rails with a low slung front end, a lot of weight towards the front, looks like. Being a comp chassis, I imagine it's more nose heavy than anything. And I'm not your authority on crawling. I'll tell you that now, because I do it more recreational, just to go out and go play in the woods and just get a little quiet time. So I've never built an Element truck. I have built the VRD. That was my first one of those. And I've had a few axial trucks. I've had an SCX-10, the original. And I've had a 2, and I've had the 3. Well, I currently have the 3 base camp. And I just like it to go out and walk in the woods with it. Instructions manual. Associated usually has really good instructions, pretty clear. You start off building the chassis and go straight into building the transmission. Then you go right into your rear axle portal and then into the front. Once you got your axles attached, build your shocks. And then the rest is up to you. We got overdrive. Motor mounting facing front stock. Overdrive, no overdrive. Optional overdrive. Okay. Yeah, a little overdrive in the front end is, from what I understand, because I've never really done a comp. I've only done one comp ever. A little overdrive in the front does tend to help you get over some obstacles. Give a hoot, don't pollute. When you're enjoying the outdoors, take your trash with you. Read that one, people. There's your number one instruction right there. And keep it quiet. Yeah, that's pretty cool. A little checklist for going crawling once you get it all built. Your truck, some spare batteries, backpack, water, snacks, some good shoes. Got to wear your Element hoodie or jacket. Yeah, pretty cool. Looking forward to getting this thing built. Like I said, Eric's collecting parts now to, as far as electronics, wheels, tires. I believe we're going to do a similar wheel that's on the VRD. And I'm not sure what body style we're going with yet, but that will definitely be a paint video coming up. And get your little flyer here for their... They're still advertising the clear car there. Alright. Got a little decal set. There's our battery strap. I like the little scale decals, little associated little AEs. That's pretty cool. I do like those little bitty ones for the scale look. Comes with some quality 3M double-sided tape for your whatever electronics need to be taped down. And interested to see what's in this box, exactly what it is, but it looks like a little shed. It's Michael's Machine Shop, Off-Road Fabrication. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, let me turn this camera around and we'll wrap this thing up. Alright guys, that's a wrap for tonight's video. I know it wasn't much. I am not the most avid crawler. Like I said, I just do it for recreational and exercise, and or just to get out in the woods and be out in the quiet for a little while. And one of my buddy's wives was watching, or happened to be in the same room when he was watching one of the videos one night, and she said that I say we a lot, and I do say we a lot. It just kind of comes natural. And the we part of the channel, besides all you guys that are watching and liking and subscribing, is got a close circle of friends here that provide a lot of these kits. And I got one really cool subscriber down in Florida that sent us these vintage, the Scorpion, the Optima that's out of camera here, and the RC10, and the little recoil car, and the pan car that I'm building for my brother. But we got Steve from OES Custom Classics. He's provided some parts and pieces, and he actually owned that EDM that we just sold on eBay that we did a paint job on. I got to do a video. My buddy Chris that provided the ProCat, the 12 scale, the Big Bear build we just did, that was his. And then, of course, Eric from Tick Performance. Eric, this is his truck. That's his VRD. That's his pumpkin back here. Two of those RC10Ts are his. And Matt and Wes down at Anderson RC. That's where we get all of our local stuff. And Matt provided the car for the MF01 Speed Run Challenge. That car will be at the hobby shop in 2 weeks after the competition wraps up on the 30th. But yeah, the we part of this is just all the guys behind the scenes that help. Sometimes they do help actually film some of the videos, like some of the speed run videos. Chris helped me with that last week. Eric got us a photo shoot last year. Eric does a lot of PR work in the background. He volunteers that. He talks to everybody online, and he sends out pictures and links to everybody that'll listen. And it has gained us some ground and gained us some subscribers. So I want to thank everybody that does help behind the scenes. If I forgot your name or forget somebody, I'm sorry, but you know who you are. It's not just me. It's we. It's all of us. All right. Well, that's it. Stay tuned for Wednesday for the build, beginning of the build. And thanks a lot. And hit that subscribe. If you want to join, hit the join button. And we'll see you Wednesday with our next build. Thanks.